1. Education is the key that unlocks countless opportunities and possibilities for personal and societal growth. 2. It empowers individuals to think critically, make informed decisions, and contribute to the betterment of society. 3. Education is a bridge to reducing inequality and promoting social mobility. 4. A well-rounded education not only imparts knowledge but also nurtures creativity and innovation. 5. It equips people with the skills necessary to adapt to an ever-changing world and job market. 6. Education fosters tolerance and understanding, promoting peaceful coexistence in diverse societies. 7. It enhances personal development, helping individuals realize their full potential. 8. Education is an investment in the future, as educated individuals tend to have better health and economic outcomes. 9. It plays a crucial role in advancing science, technology, and culture, leading to human progress. 10. Education is a cornerstone of democratic societies, empowering citizens to participate actively in civic life and make informed decisions. Thank you.